Hey everybody, I'm Genia from Zakka Workshop, and I'm going to show you how to install the clasp onto the elegant bow clutch. All right, let's get started. First, you're going to take the paper string that comes with the kit, and with some scissors, you're going to cut 2 pieces for each side. Next, you're going to apply some craft glue to one side of the clasp using a chopstick. Something like that works really well. And you'll just coat it. And you'll want it to be pretty coated, evenly spread out. And then you'll let it sit for a minute or 2. Next, we're going to install the clasp onto the fabric purse. And you're just going to take the frame side with the glue and you're going to slide it up into the channel, like so. Get the gusset sides. And then you can reinforce it with a screwdriver just to help cinch the fabric up. Now we're going to insert the paper string into the clasp, and this just helps reinforce the bond between the clasp and the fabric. And you're going to do that on the top side with the larger string. Get it up there. It can be a little finicky. Like that. And then you're also going to do it for each side as well. So great. Now we've completed installing the clasp on one side. Let it sit for 5-10 minutes, and then you can do the other side. The final step is to reinforce the corners of the clasp, which has been installed on all sides. So you'll take a piece of batting, and then with some pliers, you'll just gently squeeze the corner. You'll feel a little bend in the metal, and then you can repeat that for the other 3 corners. So that's pretty much it. Your clasp is now installed onto the purse. And if you want, you can take the clutch and you can turn it into a crossbody bag, and you can attach a chain like this, and that's optional. And we have short chains and long chains if you're interested. They are available at zakkaworkshop.com. And also, if you want to make multiples of this pattern, you can buy extra clasps on our website as well. So check us out. Thanks so much for watching.